So kung yung una, mas marami akong sinabing motivation. This time, yung mga step na talaga. Step by step para sa imagine mo, sumakses ka. Okay, so let's start with number 1. So first, you have to understand yung general knowledge about virtual assistant and about freelancing. Hindi ito work from home lang, parang yun lang yung idea, work from home lang setup. Hindi yun lang yun, okay? So malawak ang industry na to. So para matutunan mo yan, ang dapat mong gawin is you really have to study. 'Di ba? You have to go to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. You have to join the groups na makikita mo. Ang daming groups sa Facebook on work from home, home-based jobs, freelancers groups. No? Join those groups. Marami din silang mga communities, like may mga group chats yan sila na you can join and participate, ask questions. In fact, meron din ako, Kanegosyo Hub yung pangalan ng group ko. Kaya yun Kanegosyo Hub kasi may mga business owners din doon. A lot of my friends who are business owners are also doing freelancing. You have to really study. So yun yung first. Huwag kang ma-dishearten na you have to be ready. You have to understand na hindi ito madali at kailangan mo talaga tong pagdaanan. Tong mga pag-aaral na to, di ba? Hindi mo naman kailangan formal na study. I never got into a formal study and joined a formal class on how to become a freelancer. So wala naman akong ganung pinagdaanan. More on YouTube talaga ako. Pero marami kasi sa YouTube din na hindi nabibigay lahat ng information. So syempre, you have to do more research. You have to spend time. Every day, spend time like 1 hour a day na ang gagawin mo lang, makinig lang sa YouTube, magbasa, yun lang gagawin mo. So that's the first step, okay? Ano ba yung mga dapat mong malaman? Number 1, what is virtual assistant ba? Ano yung pinagkaiba nito sa freelancing, 'di ba? Or remote work, work from home, 'di ba? Ano yung mga home-based jobs? Ano yung pag sinabi mong hybrid, 'di ba? Bakit may hybrid? Ano yung pag sinabi mong work from home pero BPO ang industry? So, iba yung BPO industry, iba yung freelancing, iba yung social media manager, iba yan. Paliit ng paliit yung definition mo nun, okay? So, that's number 1 na dapat mong malaman. So, do your research, okay? If you wanna know more about this, meron akong free training na nilalabas. And hopefully this April, makapaglabas ulit ako ng free training para mas maintindihan yung details. But for this video, hindi ko kayang ibigay sa inyo lahat yan kasi maiksi lang yung mga videos natin. So next is, ano yung niche mo na pwedeng gawin, di ba? For example, as a virtual assistant, mayroon pa yung mga may admin, may bookkeeping,